This hack tip's brought to you by Squarespace. Hello and welcome to HakTip, the show where we break down the concepts, tools, and techniques for hackers, gurus, and IT ninjas. I'm your host, Darren Kitchen, and today we're greasing up a monkey. We're building a grease monkey script to take advantage of the 90 million photoresistor rod cells in our retinas and minimize the possibility of interrupting a late night coding session with a white background web page induced optical nerve overload that results in the obligatory, "Dear God, my eyes screeching!" Because that's no good. We've all been there, right? Well, anyway, if you follow me so far, you get that whether it's Vi, Emacs, Nano, or Notepad, text on a computer monitor should always be some shade of gray, possibly a radioactive green, on a black background. Come on. Anyone who has booted up DOS will agree with me. Unfortunately, web designers kind of missed the memo, and your typical website on the net is a mess of color on a blinding white background, which is fine for daytime viewing. But what hackers are awake during daytime? The sun's out then, and that thing burns like the fire in Metroid. So to fix the web developer's obvious oversight, we'll just, rise up and say, "No, Firefox or Chrome, you won't render those Google search results in pound F, 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 F." Huh? All right, well, if you weren't familiar, Grease Monkey is a popular Firefox extension that, since 2004, has been letting users install JavaScript add-ons or Grease Monkey scripts to make real-time changes to web pages. And Opera has supported it since version 8. Chrome has supported it since early 2010. And today, I'll be demonstrating the installation of a simple Grease Monkey script that's going to save your retinas. All right, so let's get started here. Let's take a look. This is the script in question. Basically, it goes ahead and begins by setting a new variable, new SS, and this is our style sheet that says the background should be black, the color should be gray, that's the text color, and then we also specify for the link color and the visited link color. These are yellow. I find them kind of easier on the eyes. And I feel like gray on black, it's good, right? Anyway, now it's really simple to install these scripts in Chrome. You simply save it, or well, with any of the browsers, you just save it with an extension .user.js. So mine here is black.user.js. And then to go ahead and install it in Chrome, all we have to do is hit Control O, the shortcut, and black2.user.js, there we go. And here we are. We get a little pop-up warning and we click continue, and then we get asked if we want to install it. So go ahead and click install. It's that easy. Now, if for any reason you ever want to actually disable this, simply go to Chrome, Chrome://extensions. You can of course just drag and drop the thing in if your mouse is your deal. But anyway, and here it is, and we can enable and disable and uninstall our black2.user.js. But what's great about this now is that no longer will I be interrupted with if I pull up a Google search result for kittens. I'll be greeted with a web page that doesn't make me want to gouge out my eyeballs. Yeah. You know what else won't make you want to gouge out your eyeballs? Our sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is a fully hosted platform with point-and-click design controls for making beautiful web pages full of flexible modules and widgets like Twitter and Flickr, just galleries and slideshows. And Squarespace customers enjoy an always up-to-date, dynamically scalable architecture that lets you focus on maintaining a beautiful website, not maintaining a backend. So go ahead and try it for yourself. Get yourself a 2-week free trial, and if you decide to buy, go ahead and use the coupon code HAK512 to save yourself 10% at squarespace.com. So this brings me to ask, what scripts, Grease Monkey or otherwise, are rocking your world? Share them with us at tips@hack5.org, and be sure to check out our sister show, Hack 5, every week for more great stuff just like this. I'll be there reminding you to trust your technolist. Kicking man, woo! Or that way.